Good morning student. In last lecture we start our new lesson, plants structure and function. In that we learn about how growth of root is happen. Correct? The growth of root is happen by radical. Means this one seed is there. This one differentiate into two part. One is a plumule and a radical. Then on a radical the growth of root is happen, and on plumule this one grow upward direction and stem growth is happen. Then we see the different part of root. In that one we see root cap, root tip, root hair, then primary root, secondary root and the tertiary root, and the function of root. Then anybody tell me the function of root? Yes, to anchor and to give support to the plant and absorb mineral and water from the soil. This is the two important function of roots. Okay, as well as we learn about the different root. In that one we see the aerial root, stellate root, runners, breathing root, and breathing root it is also said to be the nematophores. Correct? Nematophores. Then today we are going to take the more information about parts of stem or about the stem. See, this one the stem, and here I wrote the part of stem. See, this is the growing end, this one the bud. See here, then here also means this one the growth of bud happen from here. Here also the small bud is there. Then this part it is said to be the nodes. Likewise part is there, it is said to be the nodes. Here leaf is there, this one the leaf branch, and here internode is there. Internode is there. This is the main part of the stem. Which one? Nodes, internode and bud. See, you know very well the stem grows above the soil from the plumule. Which one the stem is there? This one grow above the soil, and root grow under the soil. The stem growth this one happen by plumule, and the root growth this one happen by radical. Plumule of the sprouting seed. As the sprout grows, the length of stem gradually increase. There are nodes and the place between. See here, the place between two nodes. The place between two nodes means here. Okay, this one node and this one the another node, and place between two nodes it is said to be the internode. It is said to be the internode, means place between two nodes. Okay, here we can see this one the place is there between two nodes, and that part it is said to be the internode. That part it is said to be the internode. All of you understood? Then from the nodes, here see, here what happened first, this one the small bird like structure is there, and from that one the bird like structure means this one the one type of the node is there. This one also the one node is there, and from that one the node the growth of leaf is happen, means leaves come out at the nodes. And what is meant by the internode? The part between two nodes, it is said to be the internode. The tip or the apical end of the stem is called a bud. Which one the tip or apical end, upside, which one the part is there? Apical end, it is said to be the bud. It is said to be the bud, and that part is also said to be the growing end. Growing end means the growth of stem happen upward direction. Understood? This one about the stem. Okay, and this one the stem also gives support to the another part of the plant. And what is the main function of stem? transformation of earth to carry the water and minerals to all part of the plant, as well as to carry the food to all part of the plant. This is the function of the stem. This is the function of stem. Then the next one is leaf. Okay, then see the next, this is the leaf. See here, this one the leaf. The leaves grow from the nodes on a stem. We see this one the leaves are there. This one grow from the nodes on a stem. Leaves are generally thin. Which one the leaves are there? This one the generally thin one. Flat and green in color, and this one the leaves are green in color. Correct? Because we know very well in that one the leaves, which one pigment is present? Chlorophyll pigment is present, and due to that one the chlorophyll, leaves bearing this one green color, leaves having the green color. And what is the function of that one the leaves? To make food, to make a food. And on the leaves we know very well the small spore like structure is there. Small spore like structure is there, and it is said to be the stomata. It is said to be the stomata. And from that one the stomata, the exchange of gases is happen. Means very small likewise hole like structure is there. This one we can observe under the microscope. And what is the function of that one stomata? To exchange the gases. To exchange the gases. Means this one we can say this one the breathing organ of a plant. Okay, otherwise breathing part of the plant. See the broad spread out part of the leaf, it is called the leaf blade. See here, which one the here likewise a part is there. We can observe this one the part, means broad and spread out part. This one the, it is said to be the leaf blade. It is said to be the leaf blade. Okay, or lamina, or it is also said to be the lamina. Then its edges is called a leaf margin. And which one the edges of that one the leaf blade or lamina? This one the edges, this one the side, it is said to be the leaf margin. It is said to be the leaf margin. This one the leaf blade, or it is said to be the lamina. It is said to be the lamina. And that one the margin it is there, it is said to be the leaf margin. The edge of leaf, it is said to be the leaf margin. Leaf margin may be entire and dentate or lobe. Okay, means this one the leaf margin, this one the different one. See in some type of leaves likewise the leaf margin we can see. Correct na? This one different leaf margin is there. Here also this one the different leaf margin is there. Means this one the leaf margin, this one also the different one. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. Which one the tip of the leaf is there? It is said to be the leaf apex. It is said to be the leaf apex. It may be tapering, pointed, or the tip of the leaf or rounded. It may be tapering, pointed, or rounded. Leaves of some plants have a stalk with a petiole. See, this one the stalk of a leaves. Stalk of a leaf, it is said to be the petiole. It is said to be the petiole. Okay. Means though in Marathi we can say date, पानाचा date. Petiole means date. Leaves of some plants do not have a petiole, but some plants leaves are there, they can't have the petiole. The portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called the leaf base. See which one the portion, this one portion of the stem attached to the leaf. See here, here a leaf is there, correct na? Here also the leaf is there, and the portion of the stem which one attached to the leaf, the portion of stem which one attached to the leaf, it is said to be the leaf base. It is said to be the leaf base, and small leaf like structure may be present near the leaf base. And we can see this one, the small leaf like structure is there on the stem. It is called stipule. It is said to, this one the small leaves are there near the stem, but this one the petiole attached to that one part of the stem, it is said to be the leaf base. And on that one the leaf base we will see the small leaf are there, small leaf are there. Okay, and it is said to be the what? It is said to be the stipule. It is said to be the stipule. Leaves of some plants have the single undivided leaf blade and a single mid-rib. See here, it is said to be the mid-rib. It is said to be the mid-rib. Okay, this one the middle vein, but we can see this one the thick. This one the thick. Such a leaves are called a simple leaves. Means which one leaves are there? This one means single undivided leaf blade and a single mid-rib is there. Means undivided. This one leaf blade. Okay. We can see this one the leaf blade is there. This one cannot be divided and a single mid-rib is there. That leaf is said to be the simple leaves. And the leaf blade of leaves in some plants is divided into many small parts called leaflet. Such leaves are called compound leaves. Such leaves are called compound leaves. And which one leaves? This one means that leaves leaf blade. This one differentiated into the many small parts. It is said to be the leaflets, and such a leaves are called compound leaves. Then this one the leaf are two type, the simple leaf and the compound leaf. This is the main type of leaf. This is the main type of leaves. Understood? Today we see the different part of the stem. In that one we see this one the growing end, apical end, it is said to be the bud. Then on the stem nodes are there. Then internode is also there. Internode means the place between two nodes. The place between two nodes means in between two nodes. Which one the part is there? It is said to be the internode. Okay. Then we see the parts of leaf. It is in that one we see the leaf apex is there, then leaf margin, then vein are there, means this one vein like structure is there, then mid vein, it is said to be the mid rib also, then leaf blade, then petiole, then stipule and leaf base. Then as well as we can see the function of stem. The main function of stem to give support to other part of the plant as well as to carry water, minerals and food to all part of the plant. Then the function of leaf, in that one we see the main function of leaf to make the food, because the leaf is green in color. In a leaf the chlorophyll pigment is present as well as a small spore like structure is there. It is said to be the stomata, and from that one the stomata the exchange of gases is happen. That's why for making the food this one the leaf play very important role. Okay, then we can see this one the different part of the leaf. Then in next lecture we will see the different type of leaves. different type of leaves, but mostly the two type of leaf are there. Which one the two type? Simple leaf and the compound leaf. Simple leaf and compound leaf. Then you have to draw two diagram in your notebook. One is a part of stem and another one is a part of a leaf, as well as write the function of root, stem and leaf. Root, stem and leaf. Okay, all of you understood? If any query is there, then you will ask to me. Thank you. Good day.